Hello, hi. This is my first time and this is the test. Let's see how it's going to run. I need to check it. So if it is working, we will see. It's working. It will be good. We will do a live test reading and how we can take on the trade and how you will take the trade on the Nasdaq. Let me check. So yes, we are live, I think so. I'm checking on my phone. Why I need to check? The main reason is I think the voice is not good. So let me check the mic. Yes. Now let's see. This is our first time and this is the test. Yes, this is the test. You will see. Is a lot of noise. Let us stick together. This is, I think, the mic. Now it will be good. I hope so. Hello. 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 Okay. This is the daily time frame of US 100 and this is the daily time frame of SPX 500, S&P 500, and this is the US 500. You will correlate this two only, and this is the test only. I will not do what exactly I'm doing every day. So exactly we are at uptrend. There's expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement. So the first step is clear. We have the order flow is bullish. We will go down to the 4-hour time frame forward to study the chart, to study the data between the two time frame, which is the weekly. Okay, so if you pull this indicator, this is the first week, which is moving the last week direction. This is consolidation, which is the real accumulation, and this one is the real manipulation, where it is, you see. Okay, if you go to the US 30, you will see clearly. Okay, so what is our observation? Our observation is this is our target, and we will check our chart here. Okay, then 1 hour time frame. Every time frame you need to know what you are looking for. This is the important thing. Okay, today Friday है तो Monday पे क्या हुआ था? Just continuation of the previous trend. Okay, then Tuesday क्या हुआ था? Nothing important, it is just accumulation. Wednesday there is a crack. Where it is, I will show you. There is a crack between the bodies. If I off the, I show you, you will see the reality. It's a symbol. Okay, there's a crack between the bodies. You see, now it's showing to you. So there is also crack between the days, and there is also crack between the sessions. So accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution is the following. What will be the distribution? Thursday will be the distribution in the direction of the Wednesday. This thing is repeating on every time frame. Okay, and you will looking for this crack is the key. We will talk about the crack in details, but today we will talk about the Friday only. So 15 minutes for the day, you are only looking for the day you are currently in Asia. Just continuation, nothing important happen. London manipulation, this is the manipulation in my opinion. Why? This is the Asia. If you mark it, in one asset, and if you mark it in another asset, you will see it clearly. You see, but this is not SSMT. So for this you need a lower time frame SSMT need, where it will be, you will see in the 90-minute cycle, which you will study on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. As you find any lower time frame crack, no, so you will not take any trade. This is the clear and amazing thing for the trading. If you didn't find the second stage, you will not take any trade. This is important. For every crack there will be a swing formation. This is a tip for you. Okay, I will check again. How we are going on the live, because I need to check my voice. Yeah, the voice is good. So हम AM सेशन को लाइव ट्रेड करेंगे अगर हमें ट्रेड मिल गया तो. Until now there is no trade. Okay, 5-minute time frame you will study the 90-minute cycles. On 1-minute time frame you will study the micro. This is the Q1, Q2, Q3. This is the Q4. Okay, the Q4 of AM session. So yes, there is a crack between the NAS and the OIM, but you will not consider that. In my opinion, the crack between ES and NQ is important. Okay, मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि हम अपनी वीकली एनालिसिस भी ऐसे ही इतवार के दिन लाइव करें और आप लोग मेरे साथ रहें। मुझे आप लोगों की क्वेश्चंस नज़र नहीं आ रही, बट वी विल सी व्हाट यू आर पुटिंग इन द कमेंट्स। आई विल ट्राई टू सी इट। ओके, until now everything is good, flat and simple. This is our target. We will see this target on 4-hour time frame, because if one asset touching it or crossing it, another asset will give you some information. Okay, and you will also study the dollar and euro. Dollar and this forex is doing some amazing thing from last 2 weeks almost. If I show you daily time frame, this is important. We are going down. This is the exact manipulation. Like if you are open and you are coming down very straight, this is the exact sequence of manipulation. फिर हम slowly after crack, okay, this is after crack, फिर हम slowly ऊपर गए, and we are respecting our inverse fair value gap. We are respecting here our inverse fair value gap. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. okay, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे कुछ डिटेल्स मैं आपको बताऊंगा जो बहुत ज़रूरी है. डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे आप डेटा बिटवीन द मंथ स्टडी करते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, ये अप्रैल है, ये जैन है, सो ये Q1 है, Q2 है ऑफ द ईयर, बट इट इज़ नॉट शोइंग यू द डेटा बिटवीन द मंथ्स. सो उसको आप खुद इनकॉर्पोरेट करोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे मई शुरू होता है, तो इससे पहले अप्रैल तक जितनी डेटा होगी वो आप खुद इनकॉर्पोरेट करोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल इधर आप देखोगे तो इधर आपको कुछ नज़र नहीं आएगा. ये देयर इज़ अ क्रैक, वेयर इट इज़ आई विल शो यू. It is a crack between the April and May. Okay, in the euro, a crack and the forex is special when it will be between the euro and the dollar. Okay, so there is no crack between the euro. There is a crack between the euro and dollar. My bad. Okay, and it is respecting this fair value gap. This fair value gap is important when there is a crack. When there is no crack, this fair value gap is not important. I will not mark you on it. Okay, so okay, there is a high time frame crack. What we will see between the weeks, we will see. Okay, this is the Q4 finish here and Q1 started. What usually Q1 doing, Q1 usually accumulate करता है Q2 के लिए, जो week 2 कहलाएगा. Okay, this is Q4, this is Q1, week 1. Okay, so there is a crack, but if you are taking some time and you are waiting for the week 2, like you need to wait, because usually week 1 में NFE होता है और usually it is a manipulation. Okay, so you need to wait for the week 2. I am waiting for the week 2, and I am not a financial advisor. You need to take risk on your own. Okay, so week 2 शुरू हो गया, and there is a crack between the week 1 and week 2. Where it is, show me. This is week 1, this is week 2, this is week 1, this is week 2. There is a crack between the bodies. Okay, but if you are not allowing it, there is a crack between the wicks also, the GBP, Great British Pound. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution start. What week 3 will do? Continuation. Okay, why they didn't? Because there's some economical event which you see in China, so you need to put your eye on the economics events also. So in my opinion, we are bearish for the euro now. It overall trend, what we will see here, we are bullish in the dollar and we are bearish here. but the event which is happen in the China, it's showing something else. Okay, so we will see either we find any crack above here, so we can take it a short position. Week 3, they will follow the week 2. This is the week 2 finish, and yes, it's fine resistance. अगर आप जो YouTube पे कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं आप लोगों को, अगर आप सिर्फ उनको भी देखें तो वो भी आपको बताते हैं कि यार अगर आप किसी भी लास्ट साइकिल या सेशन को बाईपास करते हैं तो उसकी फर्ज और इसकी स्वीप आपको इधर से पता लगेगी कि यार उसके ऊपर आप रेजिस्टेंस या सपोर्ट फाइंड करते हैं कि नहीं. फॉर एग्जांपल हम वीक 2 को, वीक 3 शुरू हो गया, वीक 2 वी जस्ट स्वीप इट, सो इट विल बी a sweep or first. It will be confirmed by the time when we are finding resistance here. Yes, it is a clear resistance, and you will also take help from the new week opening gap. Okay, so there is something, it is not showing, I don't know why. Okay, Great British Pound, there is something, there is a minor crack here which is bullish. Why it is bullish? Due to the economical condition which I find yesterday on 1 hour time frame. Inshallah you will see it. So you will see, or you will look for the data between the days on 1 hour time frame. Okay, Monday doing just retracement, Tuesday again. ये कोई 100% एग्जैक्ट चीज़ नहीं है कि ये XAMD होगा या AMDX होगा. इट इज़ लाइक XAMD भी हो सकता है और AMDX भी हो सकता है और XAMDX भी हो सकता है. तो इन चीज़ों को अपने मद्देनज़र रखें. ठीक है, तो फिर वेडनेसडे वी जस्ट सराउंडिंग इन वन एरिया. थर्सडे वी फाइंड अ क्रैक अबव बिलो बोथ साइड. सो अगर आप बोथ साइड पे कभी भी कोई क्रैक आपको नज़र आ जाए तो आप उसको, इट्स अ कंसोलिडेटिंग इन्वायरमेंट. वाई व्हेन देयर इज़ अ क्रैक एट बोथ साइड, दिस इज़ अ कंसोलिडेटेड इन्वायरमेंट. ओके, डबलिंग थ्योरी ये नहीं है. आप लोग सीक्वेंस को वैल्यू दोगे ज़रूर. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप इधर कोई क्रैक फाइंड करते हो Q3 अब Q3 अब Q3, वेयर आई विल शो यू, लेट मी शो यू here. If you find something, yes, so you will take it. It's a Q3 of Q3 of Q3, and if you go down more, yes, yeah, so it is Q3. Okay, Q3 of Q3 of Q3, you will give you the bombarding move, like the speedy move. Okay, this is my first time to come on the live trade or live tape reading. Let's see what can happen. Okay, so करंट डे पे हमारे साथ क्या हुआ है, आप इसको डॉलर में स्टडी करें तो बेहतर होगा. एक्यूमुलेशन, एग्जैक्ट एक्यूमुलेशन AAM, so it is a both side, so we will not take any trade in this forex. The main reason is they are consolidating. What we will do, we will go to NAS100 and US 500. Either we find anything or not. We are exactly bullish, we find something down there. So if we found even a minor crack, we will take it. Okay, minor mean down one cycle. You find it here, but it is not SSMT, it is SMT. That's why we didn't take the trade. We will take if it is lie in this London. In my opinion, this is not a good taper trade. Okay, we are getting close to the target. Yes, there is a crack between the ES and the YM and the US 100. Okay, it is 90-minute cycle, so 90-minute cycle आप 5-minute टाइम फ्रेम पे स्टडी करोगे. Okay. Sorry, I'm just taking water. So yes, there is a crack between the ES, the S&P 500 and the NQ. You see here. But I will not take because we are nearby our weekly target. Why we are not taking this? The main reason is we are nearby and ये एग्जैक्ट एक सीक्वेंस होता है. जब आप किसी भी टारगेट के नियर हो जाते हैं तो आपको ऐसे शो करवाता है ये डेटा, या जो ये डेटा प्रेजेंट करते हैं कि यस वी आर टेकिंग रिवर्सल. दिस इज नॉट द रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल. We are getting to the Q4 of the AM session. This is not the exact Q4 which is the PM session. Okay, so yes, there will be a shorter form of leg formation in this Q4. If you didn't find my voice good, just give me a comment so I can put something there. Do not take any bearish trade. This is my advice. Okay, and I will not take. Okay, अब क्या क्या कंबाइन कर सकते हो, ये भी ज़रूरी है. Q3 of Q3. फिर अगर आपके पास ऐसा हो जाए कि Q3 है फिर Q3 है और इधर Q3 नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे आप Q1/Q4 कंबाइन कर सकते हो. दिस सीक्वेंस यू नीड टू बी व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब सिंपल ये है कि जिस जगह पे भी आप ट्रेड लोगे, जिस जगह पे भी आप क्रैक फाइंड कर लो, उस जगह पे ये सीक्वेंस होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे है Q3 of Q4. Okay, so it is not a sequence. Even there is a move, but this is not a sequence. Okay, so first of all, what will be the step? This is the sequence. Okay, I need to write it. What will be the steps? First one, order flow. Second one, what will be the second step? Tell me in the comment. I will wait because I teach these things. Order flow to the lens of time cycles and order flow to the lens of price cycle. This expansion retracement time cycle, you know it is fixed. So what will be the next? This is point of interest. Third, time of interest. Fourth, SMT. 5, CSD. But these all will become in the umbrella of AMD. This is very important, okay? This will be the umbrella, because every time frame you are going down, you will look for this thing. This thing is defined, this thing is defined. Point of interest you usually taken from the new day or new week opening gap. Okay, there is no, ये उन बंदों के लिए है नास और US100 जो ES और NQ पे ट्रेड नहीं ले सकते. तो यस, दिस डेटा इज़ नॉट डेट बुलशिट. इस पे भी आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो. सो जैसे मैंने बताया था कि आप लोग बेरिश कोई ट्रेड ना लें. इधर SMT भी थी बट आपने उनको नहीं लिया. द मेन रीज़न इज़ इट इज़ एग्जिट सीक्वेंस. ओके, जब भी आप कोई भी टाइम फ्रेम की हाई और लो को टच करने लगे तो ये सीक्वेंस रिपीट होगा. ओके, yes, we are at Q4. If you find something, no, you will not take any trade. Okay, this is important. If you don't have time, watch it when you have time. Okay, there is no urgency, but I will give you important thing, very important thing. SMT, you will not look just you are coming here, you will look for this thing which is important. After this you will look for order flow, point of interest, time of interest. Time of interest I already gave you. Six 45 to x6 15 of every hour. But that is one more thing. This will be the second, and first thing is 9 to 10:30. We need to write it like, okay, for this and for the theme. excuse me for a time. I'm not searching anything. I'm just, and someone is calling me. Okay, so for the VM session, it is 1:30. Two 30. Okay, this is for you. What I take you? Important. Okay, मैंने क्या बताया आप लोगों को कि आप लोग कोई ट्रेड ना ले किसी भी डायरेक्शन में, because if you are taking the bullish trade, your risk reward will be so bad. अगर आप bearish trade ले रहे हो तो this is not the good idea. इसकी मेन रीज़न यही है कि हम जैसे जैसे कोई भी टारगेट को करीब आते हैं तो मार्केट थोड़ी सी रिवर्सल लेता है. इसका मेन रीज़न यही होता है कि जो बेयर्स होते हैं उनको ट्रैप करें. ओके, we will give 8 minutes more to this live stream and we will check either we find something or not. Okay, I hope you are find some value in this, and you will be find some value because I'm giving you value. इंशाल्लाह इतवार को फिर आएंगे और देखेंगे. Friday is not the part of the quarter. Yes, Friday is not the part of the quarter. Right. Leon 54. इस इंडिकेटर में और जो पुराना वाला है उसमें अच्छी बात ये है कि यार ये जो इंडिकेटर है ये थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा वैल्यू देता है. इसका रीज़न ये है जैसे जैसे आप लो टाइम फ्रेम पे जाते हो तो ये ख़ुद अपने आप को अलाइन करता है. सो फॉर दिस वीक Monday is the X, Tuesday is the A, Wednesday is the M, and Thursday is the D. This is the exact continuation. This should be either continuation or accumulation. So usually अगर किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप होते हैं फ्राइडे को और अगर आपने अपनी हायर टाइम फ्रेम की टारगेट को अचीव नहीं किया तो डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट for the Friday to reverse. Okay, so this is the tip for you, and I hope you find some value in this lecture. I will meet you if I am free in the PM session, or I will meet you at Friday, inshallah. Okay. Yes, if you are giving time, that's true. Yes, you need to give. Okay. Okay. Goodbye.